So in your restaurant admin app, if you tap on the top left corner where you have these four dots, if you tap on that, then this left pane will open up. So here you have many different things like managing orders, which is the screen which is showing up on the right. Then you can manage your menu, add products, you can view the payments received, and you can change password and do many things. So first let us take a look at some of the settings which you can do. So if you tap on settings here, if you tap on settings, it opens up something. Let's go one by one. So if you tap on shop hours, what it does is it gives you an option to enable or disable order taking. For some, normally by default it will always be on. So for any reason, if there is excessive rush or because of some situation, you are not able to take any orders for the next, let's say 3 hours, 4 hours, or one day or a couple of days, then you will tap on off. You will set the order taking to off, and you will give a reason, like let's say temporarily not taking orders, maybe because of the huge rush you are not taking orders now. And let's say after 3 hours, 4 hours, or after one day or 2 days, or whenever you are ready to take order again, you will just tap on order and hit save settings. Remember, you have to hit save settings. Once you hit the save settings, the settings is saved. So this is an option for you to switch on and off your order taking things. Let's go to lead time setting. What is lead time setting? I'll just explain. Lead time setting is the default time between the customer, between you receiving an order and when your food is already cooked and ready to be either picked up by the customer for takeaway or picked up by the delivery guy for delivery orders. So here, if it is 35 minutes, if it normally takes 35 minutes between the customer, between you receiving the order and your food getting ready, then you will put it 35. If it is like much faster than that, let's say 20, you will put as 20, and you will hit the save settings. So your settings is saved. So this is the lead time thing. And then you have delivery partner settings. There is a lot of thing out here in delivery partner settings. So by default, our system, FOSA system, supports two kinds of deliveries. One is if the restaurant wants to deliver on their own with their own staff, you can do that. Or if you want to use FOSA's delivery system, then you can use FOSA's delivery system. So FOSA delivers through a network of partners. These partners are, many of them are big delivery companies operating nationwide. So we have FOSA has strategic tie-ups with these partners directly and indirectly. So what happens is, by default it will be set to FOSA delivery. If any restaurant wants to deliver on their own, you can change the settings to self delivery. So if it is FOSA delivery, then the amount customer pays for the delivery will directly go to FOSA. So there is nothing for you to do there. If for any reason you want to set up packaging fees, like packaging fees means basically if you want to charge the customer for containers, like for takeaway or delivery, if you want to charge for the containers, then you have two options. One is you can put a fixed cost per order, like let's say you can say 10 rupees per order. Or you can say that, okay, I will not charge by order, but I will charge by item. That means like let's say if an order has two items, like let's say one chicken biryani and one chili chicken, then you basically have two items. So you can set a per item charge of rupees 7. That means for two items the packaging charge will be 14 rupees. So this way you can set the packaging charges. Now, if the delivery is done by FOSA, then you don't need to bother about rates or anything. That everything FOSA takes care of. But if in case you want to you deliver it yourself, then you can do some further settings. Like for example, you can say what is the maximum radius up to which you deliver. Like let's say you can say we deliver up to 15 kilometers, or you can say we deliver up to 3 kilometers, right? So you can set that. Out of the 3 kilometers you deliver, do you offer any free delivery? If you let's say if you order free delivery for up to 2 kilometers, then you can set that and say here 2. If you have a minimum order value for free delivery, like let's say you can say that we do free delivery only if the order value is a minimum of 350. If it is less than 350, then you don't do free delivery. So you can put 350 here as the minimum order value. Then you can say that whether you charge a fixed cost per delivery or you charge per kilometer. If you charge fixed cost per kilometer, fixed cost, then you will tap on fixed cost and you can maintain the fixed cost. Like let's say you charge 20 rupees for every delivery, then you can set it like this. Or if you want to charge per kilometer, then you can say, okay, per kilometer I will charge 10 rupees, right? So depending on the distance between your restaurant and the customer's receiving food receiving point, the distance will be calculated and the amount will be charged. All right. So this is also an option which is available for the restaurants in case they want to do self delivery, especially if they do some kind of free delivery. Then you can say that, okay, we do free delivery up to say 2 kilometers, and if the minimum order value is this much, say 350, and the maximum distance which we deliver is 3 kilometers, and if the customer does not qualify for free delivery, then okay, we can deliver, but we will charge something. How much we will charge? We will charge 10 rupees per kilometer, something like that. So these kind of settings also can be maintained in the FOSA platform. And okay, that's it for this video.